I want to do a bit of a quick product review video. This is a StudBuddy. You've probably seen them around. They're magnetic stud finders. They work not by finding the stud, but finding the nails or screws that affix the stud to the drywall, like that. In this case, I've circled these three to make it easier to see where they are. But over here, this was clearly a hole that's been patched. I don't know if you can see it. It's not a stud. So let's find where the next stud would be. There's one. Should be somewhere in here. It looks like there's one. So that's the screw head right there. That's the screw head right there. Now this is super helpful if you're installing baseboards. You can find the closest stud above the baseboard and then swing this down to where you approximate plumb is, and you know that's where you can put your finished nail for the baseboard. It's got a lot of good benefits as far as knowing vertically where studs are or even just finding them. It never takes batteries. It never needs any maintenance. It's just some magnets in a plastic housing, and it'll find the studs. So we got a stud there, we got a stud there, stud there. It also helps you to see how frequently drywallers actually put a screw in, because sometimes they'll skip quite a bit. My only issue with this is hanging it somewhere and then using it to find where the stud is somewhere else is reliant completely on your ability and your keen eye to get it plumb and then hoping the stud's plumb. But we've been saved. They heard our prayers and they released the StudBuddy Plus, which has built-in level and plumb gauges on it, as well as a ruler. So let's check it out. StudBuddy Plus. Made in America. Gotta love it. So the StudBuddy Plus obviously has the benefit of now, once you find the stud, you can mark level if you need to mount a picture frame or a TV or anything that requires two screws separately. And you can also use it to find plumb with this upper level. Super handy new feature. It takes all the good things about the old one. No need for batteries, no maintenance. Throw it in your tool bag and forget about it. They're cheap because they don't really have any circuitry. I think the StudBuddy itself was like $9.99, and the StudBuddy Plus, admittedly, I don't even know because I wanted it right when I saw it, but I think it was something like $14.99. I just really believe that both these products are game changers. It's one of those things that comes out and you're immediately upset that someone other than you is the one who invented it. It's just so simple, and it takes the complexity and the need for batteries in your stud finder and wondering where it is. If the batteries are dead, does it still work? Do you know how to use it? Is the capacitive switch getting weak and it's not detecting the stud? This is just such a simple way because no one glues drywall on. There's always either non-ferrous metals used as the screws or as the nails to affix the drywall to the studs. Just genius. And the StudBuddy Plus, I'll put a link to this product in the description. They took all the best parts of it and they brought it up a notch. So I keep this one in the junk drawer in my kitchen. This one stays with me in my tool bag all the time. It makes mounting TVs, mounting towel racks, anything that needs affixed to the wall. I mean, wall mounts, hangers for ladders, pictures. It just makes it so easy. And it'll be the exact same thing, doing the exact same job just as well 50 years from now. I mean, it's literally just magnets in a plastic case. So I just thought I'd give my thoughts on the StudBuddy and the new version. So if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm at almost 1,000 subs. Like the video, engage my other content, and I'll see you on the next one.